looking up the exhaust line there, you can see the entire exhaust line is out. We've let that middle section down, and you have to work the pipe down off the slip connection from the downpipe. It can be a little tight. Just be patient and just wiggle, 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 and it'll eventually come off. You get those cut sections out that we took out, and then we're back here at the back box. So you're gonna have two 13 millimeter nuts on each side on your hangers. You're gonna want to unplug your valve motor. So go and unplug that. You don't want anything to happen to that. So then go ahead and take down these nuts. What I'll usually do is, if you do have an extra set of hands around that's handy, you can do this by yourself. You just kind of brace it up with your knee, do it on both sides and then drop it down. But then go ahead and take both of these off. You're gonna have to use a 13 millimeter and an extension to get both of these off on each side. Go ahead and drop the back box, and then we're gonna start working in the new parts. All right, so it's really going to help if you start laying the components out in the orientation where they're going to go. So I've got the back box and I've got the new one, but the two primary pieces we're going to work with first, just so they make sense. So you're going to want to transfer the hangers. So these will just come off these posts. I usually will just work them off. There's also a tool that you can buy, but I find it's kind of hit and miss with the tool. So just make sure to work this off this post, put it on a new post in the same orientation right here, do the same thing on the other side. Now, the other thing we are going to do, forgive the shadows here guys, is we're going to transfer your exhaust valve motor to the new section here. So we're going to do that in a second. So go ahead and get your hangers transferred over, and then we're going to take this off. These should be 10 millimeter nuts. Go ahead and take these off, and we're going to move it over, and we're going to attach it with the new components to the new exhaust path.